Hi, my name is Mr. Codilla, and today I'm going to show you how to make a GIF, or sometimes referred to as a meme. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to easygif.com, that's easygif.com/maker. I'm going to make sure I click on GIF Maker. You can also do other settings like video to GIF, GIF optimizer, things like that, but we're just going to use GIF Maker right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on Choose Files. Now I have my files ready here. These are the 4 pictures I'm going to be doing. So, little quick tip, instead of just doing one at a time, I can hold down the Shift button, click on the first one, and it selects all of them, or I can hold down the Control button and select multiple files. So I can get all those at one time. Then I click Open. Now you see I have those 4 files in here. Then I click Upload and make the GIF. It's going to take just a few seconds here. Now I can rearrange the order if I want to. I can move them around. But right now this little box comes up and it says basically all these images are different sizes and it wants to resize it. So I click the blue button, Resize. And it says all of them have been resized. So what I'm going to do now is go down. I'm going to go down to Delay. I'm going to type in 150. That's 150. And then I click the blue button again, make the GIF. And I scroll down. And now I have my GIF made. And it's like its own little animated slideshow. Next thing I'm going to do is click Save. And it downloads it. And now you have your GIF.